Welcome! In this video we will go through the basics of making a collage. First, we'll look at the materials that we'll use, how to compose a collage, and eventually how to finish it. Let's start working together, and I hope this video will spark your imagination. Materials. Let's see the materials we'll need. Scissors, glue, tape. You can use any type of paper, construction paper, a painting, old notes, gift wrap paper, magazines. There are almost no limits at what you can use to make the collage, as long as you can glue the material. Let's see how to compose the collage. Composition is the most complex phase when making a collage. The idea is to combine elements that vary in shape, size, color, and perspective. It might seem a bit confusing, but it will make your collage visually more interesting. Collage is a fun medium to free your creativity and a useful way to learn different elements of composition. Don't be afraid to play with perspective. You can have some things far away, some near. You can make objects that in reality are big, small, and vice versa. Some people think of a collage as cutting letters from magazines and putting them together, but this is only partly true. There are no limits to what you can do. The purpose of collage is to gather different elements together and combine them on a surface. The elements that you use in a collage don't have to be perfectly cut out around the edges. You can use different cuts or even tear paper. To make a collage, you will need to have a background. You can choose a really simple one or a busy one, depending on what effect you want to create. Next, you want to establish a dominant element. Choose one and build your collage around that element. Feel free to rearrange any piece. You can switch and rotate however you want. Remember, there are no rules. You can decide a theme before starting a collage, or you can come up with ideas as you collect materials. Either way, build your collage around a central idea or element. It's important not to glue anything before you decide where you want to place each piece, and your creation looks exactly how you want it to look. Once you are happy with the composition, you might want to take a picture of it for future reference, but this step is not necessary. Carefully remove all the items and glue them, starting with the bottom layer and all the way to the top one. Once everything is glued, make sure it sticks well. Now you can write and add any texture with pen, pencil, or glitter. Here's your final collage.